morning, all of you. Today we have discussed about the topic solid waste management. For selection of disposal method as a part of solid waste management, the following points are taken into consideration: present requirements, future situation anticipation, provide opportunity for recycling, not pollute air, groundwater, surface water, parameters such as moisture content, temperature, compressibility, combustible matter. Importance of solid waste management can be understood for following public health hazards. Aesthetically, if we consider this evil, it is offensive to sight, gives out foul odor and smokes. So, rapid changes in technology. In media, tapes, softwares, MP3, falling prices and plants have resulted in fast growing surplus of electronic waste around the globe. Thence, CEO of Cash for Laptop regards electronic waste as a rapidly expanding issue. Technical solutions are available, but in most cases, a legal framework, a collection system, logistic, processor, CPU chips, RAM, and audio components have different useful lives. Processors are most frequently outdated by software and are more likely to become e-waste. While display units are most often replaced while working without repair attempts due to changes in wealthy nation for new display technology. Thence, electrical waste contains hazards but also valuable and scarce materials. Up to 60 elements can be found in complex electronics. In the United States, an estimated 70% of heavy metals in landfills comes from discarded electronics. Thence, some computer components can be reused. Electronic waste substances and their effects. Some computer components can be reused in assembling new computer products, while other are reduced to metals that can be reused in application as varied as construction, flatware, and jewelry. Substances found in large quantities include epoxy resins, fiberglass, PCB, PVC means polyvinyl chlorides, thermosetting plastics, lead, tin, copper, silicon, beryllium, carbon, iron and aluminium. थर्मोसेटिंग प्लास्टिक ये हार्ड प्लास्टिक होता है. Thermosetting plastic, it cannot be reused. Elements found in small amounts include cadmium, mercury and thallium. Elements found in trace amounts include americium, antimony, arsenic, barium, bismuth, boron, cobalt, europium, gallium, germanium, gold, indium, lithium, manganese, nickel, niobium, palladium, platinum, rhodium, ruthenium, selenium, silver, tantalum, terbium, thorium, titanium, vanadium and yttrium. Almost all electronics contains lead and tin. Almost all electronics contains lead and tin and copper as wire and printed circuit board. Though the use of lead-free solders is now spreading rapidly, the following are ordinary applications. Mercury found in fluorescent tubes, then sulfur found in lead acid batteries. Health effects include liver damage, kidney damage, heart damage, etc. Cadmium found in light sensitive resistors, corrosion resistant alloy for marine environments, and nickel cadmium batteries. And lead solder CRT monitor glass, lead acid batteries, some formulation of PVC. Then beryllium oxides, filler in some thermal interface. Materials such as thermal grease used on the heat sinks. Tin solder coatings on component leads. Copper wire printed circuit board tracks components leads. Then aluminum, nearly all electronics good using more than a few watts of powers. एल्यूमिनियम जो भी प्रेजेंट रहता है तो एल्यूमिनियम ये करोजन रेजिस्टेंट मेटल है, करोजन रेजिस्टेंट मेटल्स है एल्यूमिनियम, और हर अलाई में ये प्रेजेंट रहता है एल्यूमिनियम्स। लीड ये भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट मटेरियल में ये भी प्रेजेंट रहता है, लीड एल्यूमिनियम प्रेजेंट रहता है और निकल प्रेजेंट रहता है। ये जितने भी एलिमेंट्स है ये करोजन रेजिस्टेंट एलिमेंट्स है। देन आयरन, स्टील, आयरन से स्टील बनती है। देन जर्मेनियम 1950 to 1960, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बाइपोलर जंक्शन ट्रांजिस्टर्स, सिलिकॉन ग्लास ट्रांजिस्टर्स, निकल, निकल से क्या बनता है, निकल कैडमियम बैटरीज, लिथियम आयन बैटरीज। देन मेथड्स ऑफ मैनेज, देन confined to as small an area as possible, compacted to reduce their volume, covered with the layers of soil. Compost allow the soil to retain more plant nutrients over a longer period. It supplies part of 16 essential elements needed by the plants. It helps reduce the adverse effect of excessive alkalinity, acidity, or the excessive use of chemical fertilizers. It makes soil easier to cultivate. It helps keep the soil cool in summer and warm in winter. It helps in controlling the growth of weeds in the gardens. Then next topic, impacts of hazardous waste in tremendously harmful to our planet and life on it. Hence the various methods such as preventions, recycling, reuse of waste through recycling of paper. Then next portion है MCQ क्वेश्चंस। यहाँ पे आपका 5th चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो चुका है। Then first MCQ question, which of the following facts are incorrect? उसका सही आंसर है ओजोन इन हार्मलेस टू ब्रीथ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस, areas that are under the influences of DDT may absorb a decline in the population of birds. This is due to the fact that second option है the eggs did not match. Then question number third है measuring BOD means biological oxygen demands is primarily for, उसका सही आंसर है estimating the quantity of organic matter in sewage waters. Then question number 4 है cosmic rays such as gamma rays are a source of radiation pollutions. Then question number 5 है the primary agenda of the Kyoto protocol is, उसका सही आंसर है कंट्रोल एटमॉस्फेरिक सोर्स ऑफ ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एम्प्टी स्पेस इन अ वाटर बॉडी इज एन इंडिकेटर ऑफ पोल्यूशंस. तो उसका सही आंसर है ई कोयल. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 eggshells of birds become unusually thin when exposed to the pesticides in their environment. The protein that gets affected is calmodulin. इसका सही आंसर है फर्स्ट ऑप्शंस calmodulin. Next question number 8 lichen are good bio indicators for, उसका सही आंसर है वाटर एंड एयर पोल्यूशंस. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 a moth having a speckled wing able to blend into the background of due to its dark coloration each calls industrial melanism. Question number 10 carbon dioxide is primarily called a greenhouse gas because traps heat. Then question number 11 trichoderma hergianum is empty space that is predominant as a fungicides. तो उसका सही ऑप्शन है फंगस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस आर दोज दैट एब्सॉर्ब एंड एमिट इंफ्रारेड रेडिएशन. एग्जाम्पल्स includes ozone. Then question number 13 depletion of the ozone layer is damaging to human health. Negative effects includes skin cancer. Then next question number 14 empty space is an organism used to gauge the quality of air ecosystems. उसका सही आंसर है बायो इंडिकेटर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 इज अ वेस्ट डिस्पोजल मेथड्स वेयर सॉलिड ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट आर कन्वर्टेड टू द रेसिड्यू gaseous products through combustions. उसका सही आंसर है इंसिनरेशंस. देन लास्ट में ये आंसर की दिया हुआ है जो भी एमसीक्यू है. आंसर की दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे आपका 5th चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो चुका है. देन नेक्स्ट चैप्टर remaining we will take tomorrow.